How to sign in or log in on Netflix app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can log into your Netflix account in the Netflix app. For this, you want to open up the Netflix app. If you don't have this, you can head over to Play Store or App Store. Then tap on the search bar and search for Netflix. You want to tap on the install option over here. Once the download has been completed, it is automatically going to be installed on your device. Then you can tap on the open option and launch the Netflix app on your device. Now, in order to sign in, you will require an active subscription or an active Netflix account. If you don't have that, tap on the Get Started option. Then follow the on-screen prompts in order to create a new account. If you already have an active account, then tap on the login option. Here, you want to either enter your email or phone number, then enter your password. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password option to reset your password. You can also sign in using a code by tapping on the Use a Sign-in Code option. Once you have entered all of your credentials, tap on the Sign In option. If the details are correct, you will be logged into your account. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.